Synthos is the reference event in phosphate industry. It gathers all the industrials and professionals in the market, phosphate. And we at JESA, we are delighted to participate. We do offer services, as we call it, from pit to fertilizer. So it's from engineering, technology supply and project management, and also operations and maintenance services. So we proudly can say that we do provide an end-to-end capability to clients in the sector.
Synthos, c'est un événement très important parce qu'il couvre pas seulement l'amont, mais aussi l'aval de chaînes de phosphate. On se trouve vraiment au cœur de l'OCP, qui est un leader mondial des phosphates, mais on voit bien que c'est un hub de technologie DAHF où on a l'avantage de gagner en rendement et tout en gardant une technologie qui purifie le gypse et qui a une facilité de manipulation.
Scott Townley with Townley Engineering and Manufacturing. We're here at Synthos. We're very excited about being here. It's our first opportunity to be at the show. We got our start in phosphate, so we wanted to come over. We know that OCP is a rather large company, somewhat larger than the phosphate we deal with in Florida. Along the lines of what we have to offer is the valves, hoses, cyclones, alloy pump parts.